Alright, so today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to turn this boring old light, this light right here, just like that. Super easy. Alright, y'all, so welcome back. Today we're going to go over this Lumary smart lighting. This is a Lumary UFO smart ceiling light, right? So it has Dreamcolor, says tunable white and 16 million colors, right? So, of course, I want to give a shout out to Lumary reaching out to me. Check out this light. Obviously, you know, they make some really good products. You've seen them on my channel before. So I'm super excited to get into this one, right? So the wattage is 24 volts, 110 degrees is the beam angle, temperature color from 2700 to 65,000 RGB, right? Input voltage is 100 to 130. VAC, working temperature -20 to +40, and operating life says 25,000 hours, right? So we're going to check this out, open it up. It's really not too much in the package here, so open it up. You got the light, you got some screws, some mounting hardware, and their starter guide, right? So here's the light. Looks like your old basic, kind of like the old kitchen light type of deals. But as you can see, right around here, you got all the LEDs built in. Now, the only thing about this light, it does have to be hardwired, right? So as you guys seen in the first part, I just took the ceiling light out of my garage and I installed this. We're going to install this, right? So we're going to check this out. Put it in, install it, and then turn off all the lights and really get into this. Just like the other Lumary lights that you've seen on this channel before, we're going to have to download the app to control this thing. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, the installation process was pretty simple. I just took the old light down. I put the 2 screws back exactly where my old fixture was, so I didn't have to make any new holes or anything. And I ran the line right here. You know, just pop these out, put the line in and push them down, holds them in place. The neutral and then the ground right in the middle, right? So the light is basically pretty simple. I'm gonna try and hold the camera and put this in at the same time. So put it up there, twist, boom, and then you got your power. It's super bright. I'm gonna go ahead and turn everything off and go through the process a little bit. I'll close the garage door for us so we can play with it a little bit. So as you guys can see, I don't have any other lights on. Well, now I don't have any other lights in the garage, so it lights up pretty good. It's definitely bright, and you can dim it. Obviously, you can play with it. We're gonna go to the phone. You got to download the app, right? So I'm gonna try and hold the camera and go through it. So you got the Lumary app on your phone, right? So I can turn it off, and then it's pitch black in here, right? So you guys can definitely see how bright the light is, and you can dim it, of course. You can make it pretty dim. You can go up, and then you can change it to like the different lighting settings. So you can go, you know, to like a yellowish light, really depending on what you want to do, what your preference is. And then the dimmer, so I have the red lights on there, as you can see, but we're gonna turn the white light off, and you guys can see what the UFO is all about, right? So right here, it's red. It's pretty bright. You know, I can still see in the garage, as you guys can tell, and you can go to different colors. It's on 100% bright right now. I'm just going through the different colors so you guys can see. So you can do that, and then you can go to modes, right? So just like any other RGBs, you can change the modes to do what you want it to do, right? So it's kind of hard for me to show you guys on the phone and do it like that, right? So you can do the preset settings. So that's Aurora. You could do bonfire, which is kind of cool. It's like a fire on the ceiling. Night, maybe. You do starry. So it just gives you like some blinking star effect. Party. Everybody likes a party, right? So it's just going to go through the party mode. And then film. So that's just going to give you like your basic lighting, right? And of course you can go to different effects. Breathe. Flash. Fireworks. Gradient. Symphony. Trail mode, which I like that one. It's kind of cool. Collision mode, so it's hitting each other and then bouncing back and changing colors. Awesome. Stacking mode. Lightning mode, which I like this one. So it'll give you like your lightning blast. And that's it for the modes, right? So the next one is we can go to music. And you can change it. It's going to my voice right now. But obviously, if we put a song on, which I'm going to do for you guys in a second here, then you guys can see how it reacts to the music. It's pretty bright. I like the light. I'm not going to lie. I think it's pretty cool. And then, of course, you can do the timer, right? So you can set the timer for it to go on and off. And then, as well as that, you can use this with Amazon Alexa. Basically, your smart home. All your smart home things, you can use that to turn this light on and off. And you can say like, hey Alexa, turn the light on, or hey Alexa, turn it off, whatever the case may be. But I have too many Alexa products, so I'm just going to use the app for now. It works pretty good for me. I think the light's pretty cool. It's definitely bright. And you know, thanks again. Shout out to the people over at Lumary. I'm sorry, I'm probably butchering their name, but you know, they've been pretty good with me. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and check out their website. I'll leave the link in the description. And that's it, guys. We're going to do a little music test, and then we're going to wrap this video up. So as always, I hope everybody's staying safe. And you know, I appreciate you guys keep coming back, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.